Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a full face of products that I hate, or at least that I strongly dislike. And I do want to say at the beginning of this video that I don't hate every single product that I'm going to be showing. There are some categories of makeup that I just don't have a ton of different products in. And so I'm just going to be showing you the one that I like the least, basically. But some of these products I really do hate. So let's just jump right in. I'm going to be starting off with my primer, and today I'm using the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. And I will say that I do hate this product because I have very oily skin, which you would know if you watch any of my videos. And so this product just makes my skin feel even oilier because it's super silicone-y, and it just feels like there's an extra layer of like grease on my skin. And I just don't love that feeling. It's not a fun feeling. Next up, I'm going to do my brows, and I'm using the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. See, my hands are so greasy from that primer that I can't open this now. I will say that I don't hate this product completely, but I don't like it really. It's super thick. And that is totally not a taupe color. You'd think that if they named the product Tantalizing Taupe, then it would be a taupe color, but that is not taupe. I don't know if you know what taupe is, but that's not it. I also just want to say that I am not going to be intentionally making any of these products look bad. It's probably just going to happen on its own, but I am going to be trying my best with these products. Alrighty, next I'm going to be setting my brows, and I'm using the Ulta Beauty Brow Shaping Gel in the color Clear. And my hands are still greasy from that primer. And I don't like this product because it's kind of really watery, and it doesn't really do much at all. It sort of feels like I'm just putting water on my brows. And see, it just like moves the product everywhere. It just like, it doesn't work. Just like moved the cream all over the place, and it didn't like. Gotta wipe that off now. I feel like that brow gel takes eyebrow product with it, which I don't appreciate, because once I decide to set my eyebrows, it's because I think that they are looking good, and I don't want the product to just disappear on me. Alrighty, next I think we're going to do foundation, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Oil-Free SPF 15 Sunscreen. I think that they've updated this packaging since I last bought this foundation, and it's probably called something other than sunscreen now. But I'm not sure, and I haven't used this product in so long, but I remember disliking it because it made me feel so greasy and disgusting. It also has that smell. I don't know how to describe that smell, but it is not pleasant. She said yeet. I'm just gonna blend around her and then put her back in. Oh yeah, it's so greasy. I hate it. It's not a bad color match for my skin though. Doesn't look too bad. I also have to say I do not hate this sponge that I'm using. I actually really like these sponges, but I don't have any sponges that I hate. You know, the coverage on this is also not bad. You know, it looks a lot different in my viewfinder than it does in person. Maybe it's not the greatest color match, but you know, happens. Happens to the best of us. We'll just blend it down. Alrighty. Next I'm going to be concealing, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And I hate this product because it burns my frickin' eyes so bad. It's also really old. It's always burned my eyes. What great coverage. Just phenomenal coverage. And now I'm going to be setting that concealer with the Kat Von D Lock It setting powder. And I hate this powder because I hate anti-vaxxers, and Kat Von D is one of them. You know, I just thought that would be like a funny thing to do, but I actually kind of like this powder, which sucks that she has become an anti-vaxxer. Because now I can't buy any of her products anymore because of my damn morals. Okay, my memory card was being a butthole, so you missed me putting on my translucent powder, which was the Luna by Luna White Sand Translucent Powder, which is very broken on my part. It's not my fault. It arrived this way to me, but it also makes you white. It's not a translucent powder at all. It is a white powder. Next up, we are moving on to eyeshadow, and I don't have a ton of eyeshadows that I hate, so I'm going to be using this Ulta palette that I have, which I don't hate, but I don't love. Probably my least favorite eyeshadow palette that I have. It also has like no transition shades or anything in it, but we're gonna see how that works. I'm using the color Butterfly Wings in my crease. Also putting that under my eyes. Alrighty, and now I am moving on to the eyeshadow that I definitely hate, which is the Physicians Formula eyeshadows. And there's no name on these or anything. And these are just not good. Okay, you're gonna see. They're just like pure glitter. And there's so much fallout. Can you see all the glitter fallout that's on my under eyes now? Okay, I tried to wipe it away and it didn't really work. Now I'm going to be taking that white shade on my brow bone. And also on my inner corners. It doesn't look that bad from far away, but once you get up close, you can see all of the glitter that's everywhere, all over my under eyes now. Next up, I'm also going to be taking my least favorite bronzer, which also happens to be from Ulta. It is this bronzer and blush duo. can still smell that foundation. The smell definitely does not dissipate, as I can still smell it. And it's definitely set down for a while. Alrighty, next for blush, I'm going to be using this So Susan Blush and Glow Luminizing Blush in the color Rose Rust. And I feel like this just doesn't really do anything. Like a nice film develops over the top of this blush where you can't really get any of the product. Like, did we see anything at all? I don't think I did. And now for highlighter, we are going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit from Christmas like 2 years ago. And I wanted this highlighter palette so bad for Christmas that I begged my mom to buy it for me for Christmas. And she did. And then I saw reviews about it saying that it was just glitter. And I was so upset that I wasted $45 of my Christmas money on this highlighter palette that I never ever use because it's just glitter. So let's suffer together. I'm going to be using the color, I think we should use White Sand, because only 2 of these colors are good for my skin tone, which I also should have, you know, known before I asked for this palette. We're looking nice and glowy today. Nice and sparkly. Alrighty, next up I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. Now, this eyeliner is only a thing because of that horrible trend of roll-on eyeliners, and I have no idea how to use it correctly. It's also like so sharp on your eyes that it's not comfortable to use at all. I don't think that this needed to be a thing. I don't think anybody needed to make a roll-on eyeliner. Oh god, I poked myself. Oh, that just made it worse. Okay, let's quit while we're ahead. Alrighty, that one wasn't horrible. It's very bumpy, but I don't know if we're gonna fix that at all. Oh no. Oh no. It just took off all the product. Oh no. Alrighty, I'm quitting now, and I am moving on to mascara. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. And everybody, I feel like, loves this mascara, but I am totally not a fan of it. It flakes off so easily. And it also is, like, dangerously not waterproof. Like, any bit of moisture that comes near your eyes will cause it to bleed all over your face. I bought the pretty one anyways because I am a whore for pretty products. I think that it applies great. I really like the way that this mascara applies, but I do not like the way it wears at all. Oh, I got it on my eye. Who cares at this point? I guess now it's time to find a lip product that I hate. Oh, I know. Now the lip products that I have chosen for this video also happen to be Ulta Beauty products. I'm really sorry, Ulta. Now this is the Ulta Beauty Matte Lip Cream, and there is no sight of a color on this. So it's just in like a nice nudie pink color. And I am going to be topping that off with the Ulta Beauty Shiny Sheer Lip Gloss. Also not a color name on it. It actually smells really good. It smells like fruity. This also smells really good. Now the matte lip cream is super drying and really uncomfortable. And then when you put the lip gloss on top of it, it's really gloopy and not fun to wear. So to wrap up, I don't like most of these products at all. Anyways, here's a nice close-up of my face. Foundation is looking super greasy. There is glitter all over my face. The mascara is already bleeding onto my skin. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed me talking shit about products that I have. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Ooh, it makes my teeth look really white. I like that. Oh man. This is not a good look for me.